Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Ford Explorer Limited. And you can see with the key fob. To operate the power sliding door and ramp, I hit the unlock button slowly but firmly 3 times in a row. That'll pull the door open, slide the ramp open. 28-inch wide ramp. We got 54 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 58 once you're inside the van. This is the Braun Ability power conversion. Got the carbon fiber floor, easy to clean. We've got upgraded Q strengths in here at no additional cost to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge. Get your collapsible folding second row, or third row is what it is now, and leather seating. It's got the all your plugs in here for electronics for the passengers in the back. Your rear air can even control the conversion back here. It's got your removable seats. So for example, if you wanted to remove a seat, put a wheelchair or scooter up there, and you can transfer over to the driver's seat and drive yourself around. Or if you're able to manipulate and get in through the little opening here, you have that as well. Removable driver's seat as well. We could put an easy lock in there. You could snap your chair in, drive from your wheelchair. This allows a lot of options, and of course, most importantly, independence. Got your cup holders, can operate the conversion there. It's got all your controls for the conversion there. It's got your dual climate control, your rear air. We got navigation, backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats, and heated steering wheel. You're not going to need that heated steering wheel anytime soon, but it's sure a nice option to have in that winter time. So, fully loaded. It's got your steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road there. And when you get everybody secure, get out, simply reverse the process, and again, hit it 3 times. Pull that ramp back in. You're ready to roll. Got your tinted windows in the back. Got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. That'll fold shut there. Got your nice 20-inch wheels on here. It's got darn near new Michelin tires on it. 4 Michelin tires. That's about $1,500 in tires on there. You see the conversion closes up tight. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, a few small scratches on this little Explorer. Look, folks, it's 8 years old. All 8-year-old vehicles can have little minor blemishes on them. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about them. But as the pictures and the video show, it is a very clean vehicle. Just has normal wear, so be aware of that. As a dual walk around of the vehicle, though, I'm trying to show you any scratches or blemishes I see on it. You know, small little scratch, scuff there. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vehicles. It's simple how we do it. It's low overhead. We have one central location here right in the middle of the country that allows us to do free shipping in the lower 48 states. A couple small scratches there about the size of my fingernail. A little bigger one there, some touch-up paint on them. Have one right back here. Had a scrape on it. About there to there. You can hardly even see it. They touched it up pretty well. There it is. If you want like this whole door painted, probably be $600 to $800 to cover up that little scuff. But in my opinion, these are all 8-year-old vehicles. This is all pretty standard wear. Small little scuffs on it. No body damage, just major scuffs on the paint. But back to how we save you money. Like I said, free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. That saves you money. And I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20 locations, maybe even more. How much money do they spend in overhead? More than we do every month compared to our one location. Little scuffs here in the trunk, you know, the latch here for probably throwing a suitcase in there and catching it on there or something like that. But that's how we save you so much money, low overhead with our one location. And no matter who you do business with, get you a video of the VIN number. Why I say that, Facebook Marketplace, for example, that is the dirtiest place to buy a vehicle in the world. And I'm not exaggerating. People will take pictures of our vehicle, they'll cut out my sign up here, they'll post a vehicle like this on the internet for $15,000, and they'll say send a $2,000 deposit to hold it. Well, they're trying to scam somebody, trying to get them to send $2,000 for a vehicle they don't even have. So to prevent that, you say, hey, send me a video of the VIN number with your name in it. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and this vehicle is right here with me. They don't have the vehicle, therefore they don't have that sticker, therefore they couldn't make that video. Get that video and protect yourself. Also, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it, you can see no accidents or damage on this vehicle, 22 service records. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, no accidents with a bunch of service. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage. Does show one open recall. You can schedule that with a Ford dealer. They will fix that at no charge to you. As we scroll down, you can see the vehicle service history, which is extensive. Whoever had this vehicle took great care of it, and they obviously loved it. So that's always a good thing to see. So many service records on a used vehicle like this. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. You can find us on eBay. 1,576 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good review. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. A, make sure they are a real company. B, make sure they have a handful of reviews. You know, we have 326 reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. I hear stories all the time about people buying a vehicle from a private individual or one of the low-end dealers, you know, 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that has a salvage title they weren't told about, a flood damage they weren't notified of, you know, major mechanical issues, bad engine, bad transmission. I've heard it all. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the SUV. It's got the 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, we sure can. Has the power remote start, which is a great feature to have. It's got the power trunk hatch back here. And the even has the stow and go seating, which is super cool. It's power on here. I can touch the normal. I can stow the seats with the power button. I can fold them down. So if you want to fold this down, for example, and you want to go on a trip and you need some more room for your luggage, super cool feature. You have that option. You don't have to crawl back there and start digging around. Put them back to normal. They'll fold right back up. It's got your power trunk hatch, like I mentioned. So again, fully loaded, super cool features. It's even got the push button start. What I like about this, and if you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. But if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. You simply get in the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, fires right up, you're ready to roll. All the check engine lights work and they go out. No dummy lights on, none of that. We got a cooled seats. I'm gonna activate that right now. 104,986 miles. Like I mentioned, it has our backup camera. I'll show you our navigation here as well. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm gonna show you the mirrors and the windows moving. Mirrors and windows moving. That's the foldable mirrors there. And it's got the mirrors there working as well. There we go. And we check the heat, air, belts, hoses, screws, suspension, brakes, tires, taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot like many dealers do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. You can see the list of any repairs we've done on all our vehicles in the ad. I can see we put a brand new battery in this vehicle. And as I crawl underneath, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being up north, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, you know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that are brand new with flood damage? A brand new vehicle, a brand new dealership will take on flood damage. They'll take all those vehicles to auction, dump them off, make them someone else's problems. My point is, if a brand new vehicle can have flood damage, you better believe your used vehicle can as well. By the way, it has the tow package underneath here. Even has the tow option. So if you want to pull a small boat or trailer, super cool feature to have. You can still have your wheelchair on the side, still get a small boat or a trailer behind this thing, let you live your life. Underneath the vehicle in the rear, I challenge you to go check out our competition. I don't care if it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a free Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees on both front and back and take even pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? So again, you can see no bent metal, no water damage from an accident. And do they get up on the roof and show you there's no hail damage out there? Do you know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that have hail damage and holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi? But the seller doesn't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. Know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition, I beg you. And And tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage from an accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both those cases and in many more, you can't get a title for it, you can't get it registered, you can't drive it. You just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid those issues and so many more, demand a detailed video like this. Folks, not some lazy 30-second walk around. This is a major investment. You're not buying a pair of jeans off Amazon. This is a big purchase. Demand that detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I do that because I'm a responsible buyer. I want to know what I'm buying. I pay up front for the Carfax. You should demand a Carfax too, especially on a purchase of this magnitude. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Make sure you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair, and that you're not getting scammed. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. This SUV comes with a 90-day, 3,000 mile drivetrain plus warranty. See the power foot pedals there? That's pretty cool. 90-day warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Everything on the roof looks good. Like I said, we climb up here, we check it out. I've even got pictures of it as well. Let's get her on a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Explorer home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Traffic permitting, I'll pop it up to about 70 miles an hour here. There we go. Got me a little runway here. The steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Gets up to 70 miles, absolutely no problems. There we go. Got my cruise control set. Cruise works good. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. Now do keep in mind, we offer our complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do have long-term warranties that cover not only the vehicle but also the conversion. The conversions can be kind of costly to work on. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, but they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all the shipping and hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money on you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. You saw I gave the Explorer a nice hard brake at the bottom of that ramp. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner, and text is the best way to get hold of us. One of our employees can respond, not always instantly, but as soon as we can. Text is definitely the best way to get hold of us, but call or text us, 316-262-8267. Now I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, or preferably a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Explorer whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Financing available on this vehicle. It's going to be a little tougher because it's a little older and it's got a little bit higher miles. We can always give it a shot, but just heads up, it's going to be a little tougher to get financing on this vehicle. You're going to have to be a well-qualified buyer to get financing on this. And yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how all that works. And if you do want us to send you an application for financing, We can send an application to your phone or email. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We'll call you. We'll take an application over the phone, no problem. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you ever do want to come in to visit us, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. Oh, the blind spot monitor over there, by the way, if someone's in my blind spot, it turns yellow to remind me. So another great safety feature on this vehicle as well. I'd almost forgotten to mention that to you. But we do require you make that appointment. Give us a text, give us a call, set up an appointment, help us save you and us time, which in the end just saves you and all of our other buyers money. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures so you know exactly what you're getting, all with no hidden fees and the best prices in the country from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. See the orange light on? It's the guys in my blind spot. There you go. That's www.mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.